All right, check it out, guys. This is my 21 Trail Boss, and I'm looking to do a little bit of changing up on the front end. And this just came in the mail today. So this is a new grill for it. This is from American Modified, and this is their Gloss grill. It's a lot like the factory grill, but it has some amber lights up here. So I'll take y'all with me and show y'all how to pop this thing in. First thing, of course, put it open. You got these little tabs right here along this front here that holds this piece in. So you'll remove this, and then there'll be some bolts underneath here holding the grill on. All right, the best tool to use for popping these up is a trim tool. I can't find mine right now, but there's a little slot right here. You can get a screwdriver under it. They're pretty easy. They just pop right up. Just like that. I'll go ahead and pull them out. All right, I almost forgot. You want to remove these two little T15s that hold on your hood release. And once you have that upper part removed, then you can see the 10mm bolts here that you're going to remove next. It's 4 of those. All right, once you get the 4 bolts out across the top, you want to kind of pull this over, lift up, and pull from the top, and then pull down here at the bottom, the lower section of the grill on both sides, and work this thing off. Should come up now. There we go. So that's what you look like with the grill off. All right, now is also a good time while you got this grill off. Take a minute and clean everything up. Got a lot of dead bug guts around here, all over this, the grill shutters. Not too many made it back here to the heat exchangers, to the radiator and condenser and transcooler, so looks pretty good in here. All right, next step, you want to go ahead and unbox and unwrap all this stuff. It's wrapped up pretty well. The way it comes in, it's protected. Got these little foam pads helping out the corners so nothing gets damaged. And I'll go ahead and cut all this open and show it to y'all next. All right, with the grill laid out on the floor here, you can see it comes in 3 pieces. So you got to attach these on. Really simple, just some 10mm hardware that's provided and some new clips for out here. It's all provided in a little bag. You got a little wiring harness to attach to the lights if you got the one with the amber lights like I did. And you'll go ahead and put these pieces on, and you should be able to install it onto the truck. So this is what it should look like when you have the ends on. You got your 2 10mm right there, then you got a few clips on this side. This is the driver's side. This is the passenger side, and I've got the wiring harness for the lights tied off to the screw heads right here, and going down where I can run it in under the hood and hook it up into the fuse panel later on so these lights will be functional. So let's go ahead and put it on the truck. With it just sitting off the truck like this, I want to show y'all real quick. I got my wiring harness right here, and I have it ran through this hole right here and coming right back up so I can get anywhere I need to access into this fuse panel, however I want to tie it into the lights. So just want to show y'all that real quick. Once you have it resting up here, you'll be able to just slide it up in place like that. All right, and I'll go ahead and set this down for a second so I can push the clips in. All right, so there you have it, guys. Just a little bit of a different look from factory. It's got the lights in it. I think I like the way that it looks. So if y'all like this or want to get the same grill or want to try out their products, I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks again for watching. See y'all next time.